Home Remedies presents
Grandma drank a glass and hasn't been sick for 15 years. Clear mind, sharp eye. Today I will tell you a secret recipe which my grandma used to take. Red cabbage is a good source of vitamin K and provides small amounts of calcium, magnesium and zinc, which can help build and maintain healthy bones. Red cabbage is high in fiber, making it easier to digest foods and keep your digestive system healthy. Cabbage juice is loaded with nutrients such as vitamins C and K, and drinking it is linked to many benefits, including weight loss, improved gut health, decreased inflammation, balanced hormones, clear mind and sharp eye, and body detoxification. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: red cabbage 1/3, onion 1, bay leaves 3, cloves 10 to 12 pieces, water 300 ml. Hey friends, from which city and country you are watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Procedure: boil water and add bay leaves and cloves to it. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Once done, leave it aside to cool. Take 1/3 of red cabbage and grate it and put it in a jar. Take 1 onion and chop it. Also put it in the jar. Now strain the bay leaf tea in this jar. Using a hand blender, blend all the ingredients thoroughly. Now strain the drink using a cheesecloth. Your drink is ready. Take 1 glass daily on empty stomach for 10 days.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.